Well, hey there, friends. Have you ever eaten a fruit thinking it was doing you good, only to find out later it might actually be hurting you? Oh boy, that's a surprise a lot of us seniors run into today. I'm going to share with you 6 common fruits that could spell trouble, especially if you've got diabetes, kidney issues, or heart problems. Don't worry though, I'll also tell you safer ways to enjoy your favorites. Stick with me to the end because what you learn today might just keep you strong, steady, and enjoying life a whole lot longer. Now, before we dive in, do an old guy a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next story. All right? Let's get rolling. Number 1, papayas. Now, here's one that surprises people. Papayas are known as the digestion fruit, but papain, the enzyme inside, can mess with blood thinners, diabetes meds, and even antibiotics. Too much papaya, and suddenly your medications aren't working right. On top of that, papayas can trigger latex-related allergies, skin rashes, swelling in the mouth, and even trouble breathing. And for folks with sensitive stomachs, papaya's strong enzymes can actually cause irritation instead of relief. If you want good digestion, plain yogurt, kefir, or ginger tea are greater and gentler, safer choices. Number 2, grapes. Grapes. Nature's candy, right? Easy to pop in your mouth while watching TV, but here's the problem. One little cup has over 20 grams of sugar. That can send blood sugar levels flying, especially for folks with diabetes. My friend Jan in Burbank thought she was being healthy, swapping cookies for grapes, but her blood sugar shot up higher than ever. Grapes may be natural, but sugar is sugar. And here's another thing. They're a choking hazard, small, round, and slippery. For us older folks with weaker swallowing reflexes, they can get stuck real quick. If you enjoy them, slice them up and only eat a few at a time. Or switch to strawberries or melon. Sweet, but a whole lot safer. Number 3, oranges. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Thom, oranges are full of vitamin C. Yes, they are, but they're also acidic. For seniors with acid reflux, oranges can mean burning chest pain, sore throats, even sleepless nights. And here's something most folks don't realize. Oranges and orange juice can interfere with over 50 medications, blood pressure pills, statins, even antidepressants. On top of that, all that acid wears down our teeth, and as we age, enamel doesn't grow back. Want vitamin C without the burn? Try bell peppers, kiwis, even broccoli. Your body and your dentist will thank you. Number 4, avocados. Now, don't throw your toast at me. Yes, avocados are full of healthy fats, but one whole avocado packs about 240 calories. For younger folks, no big deal, but when your metabolism slows down in your 70s, those calories can sneak up as extra pounds. They can also mess with certain medications like blood thinners and blood pressure meds. And believe it or not, some seniors develop late life allergies to avocados, especially if they've got a latex sensitivity, tingling lips, scratchy throats. That's your body saying, no thanks. If you love them, just stick to a quarter avocado a day, not the whole thing, or swipe in a drizzle of olive oil or a handful of nuts for the same healthy fats. Number 5, watermelon. Nothing says summer like a big juicy slice of watermelon. Trouble is, it's 92% water. Sounds harmless, but for seniors with weaker kidneys or heart issues, that can cause fluid retention, swollen ankles, shortness of breath, even dangerous blood pressure spikes. And don't forget, it's got a high glycemic index, meaning it can spike blood sugar almost like soda. Plus, it's rich in potassium, which can build up in folks with kidney problems and mess with the heartbeat. If you can't give it up, keep portions tiny, half a cup at a time, and avoid eating it late in the evening, or try cucumber slices or frozen berries instead. Refreshing without the risk. Number 6, star fruit. You ever seen those fancy little yellow stars at the market? Looks exotic, fun to try, right? Well, here's the kicker. Star fruit has a natural toxin called boxin. If your kidneys aren't working at full power, which happens to a lot of us after 65, that toxin doesn't get filtered out. Instead, it builds up and can cause dizziness, confusion, even seizures in severe cases. I remember a fellow named Chuck down in Tarzana, healthy guy, loved his morning walks. He tried star fruit smoothies, thought it was being adventurous. Within days, he was dizzy and forgetful, landed in the ER. Turned out he had mild kidney disease he didn't even know about. The star fruit pushed him over the edge. So take it from Chuck. Better to skip this one. If you're craving something tropical, try dragon fruit, Asian pears, or mangoes instead. So there you have it, my friends. 6 fruits seniors should be careful with: papayas, grapes, oranges, avocados, watermelon, and star fruit. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying fruit is bad, but as we get older, our bodies change. What worked for us at 40 might not work so well at 70 or 80. The key is to be mindful, talk with your doctor, and enjoy your food in ways that keep you feeling strong. If you learned something new today, drop me a comment below and tell me which fruit surprised you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. It might just save them a trip to the hospital. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next one.